Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix ChatGPT temporary chat not working. Let's fix it guys. Method on you just need to open up browser, select the three dot icon and select settings. On left side select privacy and security, on right side select third party cookies. Select see all site data and permissions and search here ChatGPT. Click on the trash icon and select delete option. After deleting it, check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to search Chrome Web Store and select the first link. In search, you just need to type VPN and press enter. Select the first VPN and select the add to extension option. After the VPN added to here, select the personal icon and select the VPN and select turn on the VPN. After getting connected, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it. Select view network status and task, select your connection, select properties, select internet protocol version 4 and select properties. Select here use the following DNS server addresses and type here 8888. An alternative DNS server type 8844 and click on OK and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 4 is to change browser. This problem may in Chrome. You can use Brave, Opera, Edge as an alternative to Chrome. Method 5, you just need to check my video description for this ChatGPT temporary chat direct link. Just click on the link and it will be open up directly to the temporary chat page. This worked for more people on Reddit, guys. That's why I share this method. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.